Jasprit Bumrah is back. Yes, you heard it right. It's a good news for Mumbai Indians fans because the ace Indian pacer Jasprit Bumrah has joined the Mumbai camp on Saturday and he also trained with his Mumbai Indians teammates on Sunday. Well, the news is Jasprit Bumrah, who was out of action for the last 3 months after, sustaining injury, a back injury during the tour of Australia. He could not play in the Sydney test. He could not play the test fully. He bowled in the first innings, but then he had to be benched due to that back injury, and then he was sidelined for 3 months, and eventually he also missed out on the Champions Trophy plus the first few games of Mumbai Indians in IPL 2025. But now it's a good news for Mumbai Indians fans because Jasprit Bumrah, boom, is back in Mumbai, and it's highly likely that he will play against Royal Challengers Bengaluru in Wankhede Stadium on Monday. Yes, Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bengaluru will lock horns at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai on Monday, and it's highly likely that Jasprit Bumrah will take part in that contest, and in fact he is available for selection. Well, on the pre-match day, head coach Mahela Jayawardene addressed a press conference and he in fact said affirmative about Bumrah's availability. In fact, what he said, I'm going to read that out. Mahela Jayawardene, when asked about Bumrah's availability, he said, yes, he is available. He is training today and should be available for the RCB game. Jayawardene said, Bumrah, as I earlier said, has arrived last night and he had sessions with National Cricket Academy, now Centre of Excellence. To finalize that, he has been handed over to our physios. He is bowling today, so all good. So that's how Mahela Jayawardene addressed the issue of, the question of Jasprit Bumrah's availability, and it's going to be a massive news for the Mumbai Indians camp as well as the fans of the Mumbai Indians team. Bumrah's return could be a massive positive for Mumbai Indians because they are currently reeling at the bottom half of the points table. Yes, Mumbai Indians did not have the best of starts. They lost their season opener to Chennai Super Kings, and as of now they have played 4 matches and have won just 1 game, that was against Kolkata Knight Riders, and with that Mumbai Indians are currently placed at the 8th position on the points table with 2 points and a net run rate of plus 0.10. Now, if Jasprit Bumrah returns, then he along with Trent Boult are going to, set Wankhede ablaze, and obviously it's going to be a big game because Mumbai Indians are going to face Royal Challengers Bengaluru. It's a battle of 2 teams studded with superstars. On the one side of the ring, it will be Rohit Sharma, and on the other side of the ring, it will be Virat Kohli. So we can say it's safe to say that it's going to be Virat Kohli versus Rohit Sharma, but we have also have to see that if Rohit Sharma plays the game, because he did not bat in the match against KKR that Mumbai Indians won, because Rohit Sharma in the training session has hurt his knee, and after that he could not bat. He wasn't available for the match against Kolkata Knight Riders, but the upcoming fixture against the Royal Challengers Bengaluru is going to be very crucial for both the teams, because RCB, they lost their previous game and now they are placed second in the points table with 4 points and a net run rate of plus 1.49. And as I said about Mumbai Indians, they are currently 8th, but Bumrah's comeback could turn fortunes for Mumbai Indians, who have already won 5 titles in the IPL history. So what you have to say about Bumrah's return, do let us know in the comment section, and for more such updates, keep watching Cricket Next.